Today we are going to learn the poems Curiosity. Curiosity means to eager to know. Eager to know means to have something. That is, if we don't know, we ask, keep on ask question, and we are curious to learn, eager to know. So that is curiosity. So here in this poem, the poet is written the question asked by the child. Here you can see the one child. This girl is asking questions, and the pictures here question what all questions is asking, like winking the eyes. Winking eyes means open and closing the eyes. And rabbit pic, you can a picture of rabbit is given. Then butterfly, you can see butterfly, what is it do? It does the warble the nose. So warble the noses means it always moves the noses. So next, butterfly, when the children butterfly, because children butterfly we have not seen, because from caterpillar it becomes a butterfly. Then you can see the fish always, the goldfish always keep chewing, you can see keep chewing. And then next, bird, you can see the question asked is where do birds live. Then leaves, the leaves, when we cut or remove the leaves, the same shape leaves is grown. These are the questions he has asked in this poem. So now let's see. Tell me everything, what makes it winter and then spring. So here in this poem the girl is asking that कैसे विंटर बनता है, उसके बाद स्प्रिंग कैसे आता है. तो विंटर सीजन इज़ अ कोल्ड सीजन दैट we feel cold in that winter season. It comes in the November, December, Jan. So you can see when the earth rotates far away from sun, then we have winter season. Spring means it will have neither cold or nor hot, which are the, it comes between the winter and summer season, that is spring. Which are the children butterflies, we have never seen the small butterfly, because when it is small it is a caterpillar, and when it is grown up then it is become a butterflies. Why do people keep winking the eyes? So when we see TV or some sunlight, we without knowing we wink means close and open the eyes, that is winking their eyes. Where do birds sleep? So we all know that birds sleep in the nest. Do bees like to sting? No, bees don't like to sting, but if we disturb the honeycomb, the honey stored by the bees, they sting us, sting the human being who and disturb the honeycomb. Tell me please everything. So this is all the question the girl is asking, the child is asking. Tell me, I want to know what makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow. So she want to know what makes the leaves to grow the same shape. If we cut the leaves or remove the leaves, the shape of the leaves will be the same shape. So we can see the different plants, different trees have different types of leaves. Some will be thin, some will be uh, long. So different plants and different trees have different shapes of leaves. Why do goldfish keep chewing? So you can see goldfish always seem to be like chewing, but due to due to it needs air, so it opens the mouth, it seems like it is chewing, that is chaba raha hai jaise. And rabbits warble the noses means, warble means you can say it's doing movements of the noses. So we just from habit, so the child thought that it is a habit of rabbit, that's why it's doing the movements of the nose. But it is not like that. To breathe properly, the rabbits do the movements of nose, and to find the smell better, so where the food it needs is available. Where does the wind when it goes away go? So the child have doubt that when the wind goes away it goes where. That was the question the girl is asking. You can see that the wind blows from one side to another, it comes from one direction and blows the other way. tell me or don't even grown-ups know. So she is asking, tell me or even grown up means elders, even they also know or not, that don't know, don't even know or not, she is asking. Even grown up don't know or what, like that she is asking. So these all the questions this the child is asking. The poet has written the poem like this. So now let's recite the poem. Poem 17, Curiosity. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me, please everything. Tell me, I want to know what makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow. Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits warble their noses? Just from abbots, where does the wind when it goes away go? Tell me or don't even grown ups know. Thank you. All of you learn and recite the poem again and again so it will be hard to you. Thank you.